If your voice cracks right at the start of a note, that's not random and it's fixable. Let's clean this up with a few simple things. Victoria's vocal tips. I've been teaching singers, including voice teachers, for 36 years. Let's clean up this cracking right at the start. Exercise 1, humming into the sound. So instead of starting a note cold like this, we're going to start with a gentle hum, space between the back molars, please, like this. That was C4. Lower voices can be at C3. Higher voices can be at C5. Here we go. Sing. Up a half step. Sing. Great. So what did we just do? The hum helped your vocal folds come together with ease before we open to a vowel rather than pushing into the vowel. Exercise 2. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to crescendo or get louder on the hum, and we're going to release with more sound. Like this. Or up here it could be. Here we go. Sing. Sing. Great. So what's the importance of what we just did? We didn't jump to singing loud. We let it grow out of the hum. Now, if you cracked during that exercise, you probably added too much too fast. Now, let me show you how this works in an actual song. Here's a song that a lot of singers struggle with. I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. So, what if I started the big part like this? And, I'm gonna have trouble. I'm already pushing and we haven't even gotten to the high money note. That note would probably wind up cracking. Instead, let's do our exercise. I'm gonna start on the hum, open to an ah, into the phrase. Doesn't that sound freer? Or what about the great aria, Visidarte? What if I started it like this? You hear a lot of singers do that. They squeeze the air because they're nervous about the first note, and then the next thing you know, they're singing on the squeeze. Gonna cause problems. Doesn't this sound better? Now, if this kind of cracking at the beginning of the note, the onset, happens to you, it's not a quick fix. You have to learn coordination. And this is exactly the kind of thing that we work on in my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program. And if you haven't gotten it yet, I seriously don't know what you're waiting for. The program is huge. It took me over 2 years to develop. I give you a short and a long workout and literally hundreds of options for whatever your vocal needs may be. You want to work on your onsets? You want to troubleshoot vocal tension? You want to master your vowels? What about breath support? How about vocal colors, textures, how to sing in different styles? I give it all to you. And the best part is it's super affordable, and I do regular group classes with members, and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Bonus tip. Don't aim for the note like it's something you have to hit. When you go after a note like that, that's usually when the voice tightens and cracks. Instead, set it up properly like we just did and let your sound come out of that. Now, if you need more help, see my video on vocal onsets. And if your throat gets tight when you sing, watch this next. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.